What's cooking, everybody? Dave Altizer here in Germany, in Cologne, getting ready for Photokina, and we got lucky. We found this place called Lambertine, which has an EOS R on display. As you can probably hear, there's actually a cathedral right behind us with bells chiming. Also, the footage might not look very good. Why? Because we're using our iPhone 10 right now to film this entire video. AKA, we were walking around trying to get some food, and I saw this store and there was an EOS R inside, and we were just like, we have to film it. So we're using an iPhone, we're in Germany, the bells are ringing. Ah, the bells! Anyways, let's go look at the Canon EOS R. What's cooking, everybody? Dave Altizer here in, what's the name of this store?
It's a Photo Lambertine.
Photo Lambertine? I can't pronounce it because I'm a stupid American, but we are in this amazing camera store, and look what they have, the EOS R. This is with the 50mm, and what's your name?
Christina, hi.
Christina, I'm Dave. Nice to meet you. This is pretty exciting.
Yes, sure.
I'm holding it right now, and my first impressions already are that it feels really good.
Really good, huh?
The grip is really deep and nice. So this 50mm for the R is actually a better lens than the EF lens. So that is a good reason to upgrade to the new mount. So we have a ring here that can be customized, and as a video person, I would rather this to not click.
Yes.
And I haven't heard anybody say this, but you can send this in to be declicked.
Yes.
That's cool.
Correct.
That's great. So that means that the adapters then also will be serviceable when they come out, maybe, or just the lenses?
Oh, just the lenses.
Okay. So this is the kit that we pre-ordered. We have it with the 24-105. This balances better. Feels better. But I mean, that lens is just so good.
Yeah, it's overwhelming.
This flip-out screen, selfie screen is really nice. This is what we love from Canon. Got our mic and headphone jack here. HDMI. This is a mini, HDMI mini, with a USB-C cable. So I'm gonna try this lens now. Look at the IS on the lens. It's really smooth. Same thing here. It's got the ring on top. That's gonna be standard on all our lenses, yes. Even the cheaper ones?
Even the cheaper ones.
Wow. Focus is great. The IS is really good on this. The camera doesn't have internal body image stabilization, but whatever they're doing is really good. So this reminds me a lot of the Panasonic G9, the Leica SL, the Fuji X-H1. You've got this on top. This lights up as well. Does that light up? Yeah, it lights up. You can't really tell, but you can go black mode or white on that. We're in video mode now. So we've got the old-fashioned Canon tracking system, which is great. Really nice and fluid. Yeah, 25 frames per second. Selfie mode is working good. Face tracking. We're in HD, which is giving us full frame. But let's see what happens when I go to 4K. All right, so I'm at 24mm, and that's full frame. So that's full frame. There's the crop. Full frame, crop. Full frame, crop. So basically, you're gonna want to use an EFS lens when you shoot 4K, because that's too much. Or a 16-35 or something. But yeah, it balances good, color's great, low light's good, feels good in the hands. These lenses, I'm more excited about the lenses than this camera. I want the Pro one of these with dual card slot and full frame 4K. That'll happen. I know it'll happen. And these lenses are someday it'll happen. But for now we have a beautiful, really solid mirrorless camera body from Canon. It's not tiny. It feels like a DSLR, really. I haven't even looked through here yet. Oh my gosh, that looks good. The EVF has a good readout. It's really clean.
So sorry, it works? That's okay, it's fine. Okay.
This is going to be a workhorse camera for a lot of people. We have log on here as well, so we can shoot log. 10-bit out, of course, for video. It's really loud, so sorry about that, but Thank you so much for letting me look at
You're welcome.
this.
It's called auto.
Awesome.
Bye.
Christina?
Christina.
Christina from Canon. We're in this amazing shop in Germany, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.